Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hash here, Breakaway Chiropractic. We're here with Ruth today. She's been seeing us for about 2.5 weeks now. I think almost 3 weeks. She's been dealing with a lot of left-sided trap and neck pain, and then also into the low back. So, kind of tell us, what have you been feeling? How's everything been feeling so far?
¿Cómo te estás sintiendo y cómo te sentías antes y todo eso?
Bueno, antes estaba prácticamente cojeando y pues ahora estoy bastante bien, bastante mejor.
Before then she was hurting a lot and now she feels a lot better.
Good. So we're gonna get you adjusted real quick. So we're gonna lay face down for me. Move your shoes over here. Just get a nice little stretch here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Relax those shoulders for me. Awesome. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Deep breath in all the way out. Perfect. Alright, we're going to drop this over to the side. Move your hair right over here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Perfect. Gotta protect the ponytail. Move to the opposite side. Deep breath in all the way out. Awesome. I'm gonna check her legs out real quick. See that left leg is about a 1/4 inch shorter. So I'm gonna use this drop table, kind of get in there. Ischial tuberosity, or commonly known as that butt bone. Alright, Ruth, we're gonna lay on this side. We're gonna face me right over here. Bring you closer to me. Alright, perfect. Other side for me. We're going to straighten this one up. Good. Awesome. On your back for me. Alright, we're going to get the neck adjusted. Slide down towards your feet just a little bit. Perfect. Give yourself a hug. Deep breath in. All the way out. Relax. Alright. Good. Flip those ones the other way. Deep breath in. All the way out. Relax. Alright, Ruth, I'm going to get a nice stretch in there, okay? So we're going to bend this leg right here. Okay, I'm going to have one right here. Good. Push your foot into me like you're trying to kick. Push, push. And relax. Good. Push that knee up to the ceiling. We're going to push up to the ceiling into my hand. There you go. Push. Good. Feel how that releases. And relax. Move this hand onto your stomach right here. There we go. Push your foot into me. And relax. Good. One more right through here. Push your foot into me. And relax. See how much looser this side is. Push up to the ceiling. And relax. Awesome. You're coming all the way across. that leg for me. Push into me. And relax. Come on up for me. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and stand up and move that around. See how that feels. How's that feel? Better?
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
Absolutely, yes.
Oh man, awesome.